Okay, so I mean, we're back with another bit on basics look, and as you guys can see, this is a segment that's literally just carries on. It's got a part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, but I just post it differently each week. So now I just want to show you guys how to create an ombre, a nude ombre lip. Okay, so there are 2 ways that I will do it. There's so many, in fact there's so many ways you can do it, but there's 2 ways I'm going to show you how to do it. So it's more or less like pink nude, not nude. So that's why I'm like, there's so many ways you can do it. There's so many ways you can even do ombre. You know, ombre is just a transition or a gradient effect between 2 colors. As you can see, I've got pinks more than nudes. I've got this darker matte lipstick that I bought from like China Mall, yeah. And then I've got this brown pencil. I like the retractable ones more than the pencil sharpened ones because those are so painful on my lips. I don't know who else experiences that. I do. And then I've got this Essence matte lipstick, so it also dries matte, but it is a lipstick. And then I've got this MAC pink lipstick in the color Pure Vanity. It looks like this. So I'm just gonna show you how to do an ombre look. So I'm gonna show you how to do an ombre look with these 2, and then if I can, then I'll show you with these 2, right? Because these 2 take so much time because you have to wait for this one to dry. Then, okay, let me explain it. So you've got 2 matte lipsticks here, right? It's not like a liner and a lipstick. So if I want to create an ombre look, I'd more or less put this in the outer, on the outer edges of my lip, right? And then once it dries, I go on with this on the middle part of my lips. And that's gonna take a long time to dry. So I'm gonna try and show you with these 2, like how to actually do it. So what you need to do is just draw a line with your liner. Also, it depends how ombre you want it. Like sometimes people just want it like subtle ombre, they don't want it like, and you know how we used to laugh at people who used to put like eye pencil around. This shit looks good now. I mean, now we've just made it sound fancy, but our parents used to do this, you guys, like, and back then we didn't understand, but now we do. Okay, so now I'm trying to almost distribute it so that it's not like standing out like, oh, it's a liner, you know. So I'm doing this. Almost blend it in. Then I'm gonna go with my lipstick on the inner part. Okay, I don't like how this lipstick is brown, so we're gonna go with this Essence matte one, right? So as you can see, it's more pinker. You see? So we want it to dry a bit. Okay, so here is my ombre look, you guys. It hasn't like totally dried yet, but you get the picture, right? You get that it has to be a bit darker on the outer side, and then it goes a bit lighter, so you can buy like a nude color and then you get a dark lip pencil. It really works when you're doing it with matte lipsticks, because when they dry it looks like, you know, I know how uncomfortable matte lipsticks could be, but I mean, if you're actually looking for that face beat and you want that look, definitely go try it out. I know we're glass gang but you can try and actually achieve an umber look with gloss as well. If you could get like a pinkish gloss or nudish gloss and then get a darker brown or darker like other color lip pencil, then you can create an ombre gloss look. So yeah, you guys, that is it. So yeah, that's my look for creating an ombre lip. So that's it, you guys. If you've got any more questions on how to actually create an ombre gloss look, if you want me to even create more of this video, like a video showing different types of ombre looks, or not just how to do it but just different types of ombre lip looks, hit me up. I'm ready. I'm your girl. But yeah, anyways, see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this Bare and Basics video. Bye, num nums.